I almost opened ChatGPT today. Like almost. Hey everyone, this is Zero, day 1. Let me tell you what happened. I picked an expense tracker, simple crud, basic logics, nothing that should have given me any trouble. In my head, I had this clear vision of sitting down, writing solid code, wrapping up in 10, maybe 15 minutes, feeling like I actually knew what I was doing. Then actually I sat down and my hand got nervous. For absolutely no reason, nobody was watching. No deadlines, no exam, no one judging me, just me and a screen. And somehow that was enough to make my brain go completely quiet. I forgot to even initialize the repo. Day 1, first 5 minutes, already stumbling. Now, before I get into what broke, one thing I did before even writing a single line. I opened my code editor and pasted the documentation links directly into the file. Not a bookmark, not a separate tab, just in the code. So, like the doc was about use states, arrow function, React basics, all of it sitting right there, staring at me. Why? Because I knew myself. I knew the moment I got stuck, the easiest thing would be to just open ChatGPT or any AI tool. So I made it harder for myself. If I needed help, I had to go to the actual docs, read the actual explanation, understand it the actual way. No shortcuts, preloaded, just the real thing. So, what are we actually using here and why? Um, UState is how, like, we implemented UState. UState is how React remembers things. Every time you add an expense, delete one, update the tools, etc., React needs to know something changed so it can update what you see on screen. That's what UState does. It holds the data, and when the data changes, the UI changes with it. No use state, your app just sat there doing nothing, dead. You will see them in this code. Instead of writing functions like function add, then curly braces and parentheses the old way, we write like const, then the variable name, and we mention the function with an arrow. Shorter, cleaner. You don't need to go deep into that right now. Just know arrow functions and React go together naturally. All the docs are linked in the description. Okay, so basically that's the rule in this series. Just the actual source, no tutorial, no AI. Okay, back to the story. The code broke. I stared at the screen for 10 minutes straight. That specific feeling where you know something is wrong. You can feel it, but you just cannot find it. The kind of bug that makes you question whether you actually know anything at all. And in that moment, I felt it, that pull. Just open ChatGPT. One question, 3 seconds, problem solved. Nobody would even know. And I just sat there thinking, is this it? Day 1 and I'm already reaching for the shortcut? Am I really that dependent? Took a breath, reread the code, thought it through line by line. Scope issue, that's all it was. But finding it myself, that was the whole point. See, this series isn't just about coding without AI, it's about proving something to myself that I can sit with a problem when it gets uncomfortable, that I don't need a shortcut every time my brain hits a wall. Day 1 tested that almost immediately. Total time 28 minutes. I thought I'd take 10, maybe 15 at most. It took 28. And every single of those minutes was uncomfortable. But the code worked, and every single line of it was mine. That feeling when it finally ran clean, I forgot how good that actually feels. When the win belongs to nobody else but you, brain was tired, slept well. If you have idea on what I should build next, drop them in the comment. Let's keep going. Day on, done. Promise kept. Thanks.